Hi, my name's Greg. I'm a welding instructor at Worcester Technical High School here in Worcester, Mass. And today we're going to do a small series on our Norton mini grinder. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. So this is a mini angle sander. What's different about this as opposed to a bigger one, you can get into smaller areas, which is nice about the mini. You can use one hand, you can get a little more technical with it. This is a carbon steel roof rack that we're working on here today, but you can also use it on stainless steel and aluminum, depending on what kind of wheel that you may attach to the mini grinder. The wheels attach really easy onto this, which is nice as well. We're gonna grind down some of the welds and then shine them. So we're gonna use a flap wheel and then we'll use some shining discs. And then we're gonna turn this around and clean up some of the slag that's on the back from cutting. So these mini angle sanders work really well on flat surfaces, not so much on corners and angles. So here you'd be able to use it really well, but on the corners and angles, it may get caught up. So that's where a die grinder might be a better option for you. But these types of wheels work really well on flat surfaces. Here you're gonna wanna take a weld off, so you're gonna wanna use a real abrasive grit, like a flap disc. And then afterward, when you wanna shine it, you're gonna use a different type of wheel to shine that up. So let's talk about the abrasive wheels that come in this mini angle sander kit. We have a sanding disc and a non-woven disc. The sanding disc is good for taking off stock, which would be right here where this weld is. You'd want to take that stock off. And then you would use the non-woven disc to shine that up. We have different types of abrasives and they're color-coded. And we also have this flapper disc, which is nice because this kind of does a little bit of both. It takes off the stock and it'll shine it up a little bit. It won't shine it up as nice as these woven discs will, but it may get the job done, and maybe you're out on the road and you can't go to the store and pick one of these up, or it was the last one in your kit. These wheels always work well too. I hope you enjoyed our video on our mini angle sander. Please stay tuned for more as we grind into its many uses.